We are live. Happy Monday, everybody. Hope all is well. Power Hour is here. We're making it happen right now. I already took some trades for the day, but I said, you know what? I had so much fun with you guys last week, Friday, that I want to do this every day for this week. Why not? So, just so you know, full transparency, I already made some money for the day. I know everything is fake, but there's the P&L right there. Traded. I'm up $3,363.72. I'm not in a trade right now, but I took a couple of trades and I am done. But I can have some trades with you guys because you guys were just so much fun in the chat last week. So I said, you know what? I want to do this. So let's make it happen. I got MES1 exclamation point. Please read the thumbnail when you walk in. If you don't know, just go read the thumbnail. So we're doing MES, and right now I got my levels set up already. I don't know, you can't see the levels, but we got 5,863.25, 5,845.75 Instagram, X, move over to YouTube. We're live over there. So I'm thinking about doing this for the rest of the week. Why not? I might do it in the morning too. I don't know. The thing is, I just want to make my money first, trading, and then I'll hop on a live. I think that's just what I want to do. That's just my thing, right? So let's rock and roll. Where the hell did the pen go? All right, I guess it disappeared. Oh, there it is. Okay, cool. All right, so not in any trade right now. So let's try. I got my Z Fold 6. Welcome, Salam. What's up, Khalil? What's up, guys? Simon, Samir, Ovidijus. What's up? All right, so let's rock and roll. Let's see. I got my Z Fold 6. I got my multiple time frames set up over here. Let's see. MES, good. Okay, let's move to and let's go full screen so you guys can see better. Let's go full screen. All right, cool. Boom. So there we go. So now, let's wait. We look like another opportunity is lining up. I'm going to take the short on this. We're going to take one good trade. We're going to take one good trade. Professor, I'm waiting for the book to arrive this week. Appreciate you, Avidash. Appreciate you. I have some leeway. I'm up $3,000 on the day, so I have some leeway here. Let's close. We got a new Hey, good. I like that one. Let's keep it there. Let's see. All right, he's going to go battle a trend line. Go battle that. We're in some chop right now. Again, I went in very light. Just 20 contracts. Very light. Rejection off that trend I made. It's battling that trend. By the way, there will be no debrief. I'm just going to do it today. I'm just going to do it here. It's a Monday. I don't go live on Mondays, but I said, why not? I'm in the mood. I had so much fun with you guys. Hopefully Stealth is here. Hopefully Stealth is here on the live. I already took 3 good trades today. 2 green, 1 red. This is trade number 4. So let's see. I might trade in the morning. I'll see. But I think I'm going to trade in the morning. Maybe not power hour. Maybe in the morning. But like I said, we will see. Let me draw this range. I don't know if it's going to show up here, but we are stuck in this range right here. It showed up there. Let me change the color so you guys can see it better. Boom. See if I can turn up the brightness. It's too bright. Better. We're in that range. God, I love technology. We are live. We are live. What's up, guys? Yes, Ivan. What's up, Maribel? Tariq, what's up? MES1 right now, Tariq. MES1. We're stuck in this range right now. Let's see what happens. We have a major resistance at 5,863. This was the pre-market resistance. What's up? Good to see everybody. Yep, we're just in this range. The range is 5,827.25 if you want to put it on your trading view. 5,857.25 to 5,853.50 if you want to put it on your trading view. That's the range we are stuck in right now. For this short to go clean, we need to break out of the zone to a continuation to 5,845.75. Why did you take the short, Professor, while the 15 and the 5 show no indice? Yeah, that's why I went lower, Samir. There's a lot of weakness here. I did lower my position size, my brother. You're 100% right. No clear direction. We have to break out of this zone. A lot of weakness off the bat, Samir. That's what it is. I see a lot of weakness. We'll see. Let's see what happens. We are on a stage 3 on a higher time frame. Again, everybody. Page 41 and page 100. Page 41 and page 100. Again, until we break out of that zone, we're not looking too hot. We have to break out of that zone. Once we break out that zone, I want that continuation to the downside. Are the colors? Yeah, you guys can see the colors. All the colors are good. All the colors are good. What do you guys think? Power hour this week or in the morning or a mix of both? What do you guys think? For me, it's I want to make my money first and then jump on a live. I can trade much better if I don't have to. I could just trade freely. That's just me. My performance is much better when I'm not on camera. Thank you, Professor, for the information. You're welcome, Samir. Anytime, bro. Am I going to see you in class in 3 weeks? You coming back? 2 weeks. May 31st. Am I going to see you back? You live close by. I hope you're coming back. See, we're battling it. This range that I made, we are battling that. Let me zoom in more. A mix of the more the better. A mix more both? I don't know about both. A mix of both, but definitely make your money first. Yeah, exactly, Liz. I do want to make my money first, then jump on the live. A lot of indecision. No clear moves right now. Thank you for doing this, brother. You're welcome, Ivan. What is your take profit here, profit, Professor? 5845.75. Right here. We have to break that range. Hey, Fave, get your money. We'll catch up. Hey, Fave. Who's Fave? Here we go. It's testing the bottom of that channel. Sorry. Zone. We have to break out that zone to the downside. I feel there's going to be a push to the downside, man. Did you guys take advantage of that morning move? Did anyone take advantage of that? It ranged all day except from 12:31. I am asking if you trade with high. Yes, Ray. All the answers can be found here, or I have a free course, daytradeprofessor.com. Use the free course. It's trying, but the sellers keep saying nope. It's just trying to push it down. I could have had a better entry up here. It is more than 3 candles already. Are you still going to stay? It's in the range. It's in the range. Are you in the trade? Yeah, Moises. It says it right there. I'm in the trade. It says it right there. Power hour is better, Professor. Inshallah, I will see you, Professor, in May. I can't not miss your class. Let's go, Samir. Let's go. Yeah, green today. Yes, I caught something this morning. Good. Yes, I can. You are one of my favorite people. Appreciate you, Shares. Miss Wells. Here we go. We need that candle to close below the zone to a continuation. This is not a satisfactory trade. I could have performed better. I could have got in within a higher zone, area of the zone, but what are you going to do? Again, sellers are coming in, yes, but I need this to close below. I need this to close below. I'm not happy until it closes below. Heck yes, I did a 40% day off SPY 0 day. Ivan, don't do 0 day, do futures, man. You won't go back, there's none of that stuff. You don't have to deal with decay, trust me. Looks like gonna break the zone. Yeah, I need the candle to close below it once it does. Until it does, nope. Again, I could have had a better entry, but what are you gonna do? All right, in 4, we get a new candle in 3, 2, 1. Close below the zone. I'm liking this trade much better. As long as we stay below the zone, we are good in this short. As long as we stay below the zone. Stop loss is candle close above the zone. That means the trend has shifted. Again, take profit is 5,845.75. For those watching on Instagram and X, get over to YouTube. What are y'all doing over here? Get over to YouTube. We have a few more minutes until the algorithm really tricks in at 3:30 Eastern Standard Time. There it is. We're back at our entry price. There we go. Again, hold it to 5,845. There it is. Push down. Everyone's going to have the late day trading for you. Yes, I know, Peter. What's up? Good to see you, Peter. I wanted to, bro. I had so much fun last Friday with Power Hour, which I just had a great time. So I said, I want to do it again. I love doing this. What do you want me to tell you, you know? I traded early. You know, I posted on the secret Instagram. I made a little bit of money shorting in the morning. So I'm like, all right, let's jump on it. So that's all, Peter. It is late for me. You're right. In 2 minutes, it's going to get a little rocky. It's going to get a little more volatile in 2 more minutes. Again, if you want to learn all this, daytradeprofessor.com free trading course is free. You don't have to buy the books. I understand some of you can't afford them, but that's fine. Use the free course. Don't worry about coming to my class. Don't worry about the books. Just use the free course. Make something. Clear your mind of the nonsense you've been taught from the past. As long as we're below the zone, I'm satisfied with this trade. Where's the guy that kept going long? Where is he? I hope he comes. He's funny. He made this live fun last week fun. Good to see you, Professor. Thank you for the stream. You're welcome, Person. No trades for me today. Too busy with other... No, that's perfect, Peter. You have a big family. You got a wife. You got work. You got a million things to deal with. I don't blame you, puppy. I don't blame you. Thank you, Professor. I needed this live. Finally, a green day. Let's go, Cameron. Did you take a short from the zone? What'd you do, Cameron? Mr. Pierce. Let's go, Cameron. Tell me what you did. You finally had a green day. Don't tell me it was because of the stream. I just started. Let's see if we get a push down in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's get a nice push down. Okay, here we go. There's the sellers. Come on, baby. Just 5 more points, and we out this trade. Voy en verde ahora. Bro, translation. Moises, I need English translation, papi. Sellers are coming in. Let's go. Power hour. Sorry, power over. 330 volatility is starting to kick in. Let's see. Vámonos. By the way, update, just to let you know, middle of June, I'm out the country for 3 months. I'm just going to have to remind some of you so you don't DM me saying, why aren't you live on YouTube? It will be no more lives middle of June to September. I will be in Mexico for my Mexico mentorship. I'm going to have to remind you guys so you don't flood my DMs on Instagram. What's up, lad? We're still good. We're still hovering at our entry price. We're still good. I am green now. Let's go. We are green now. Let's go. Mashallah on you guys. Here we go. 3 more points and we're out this trade. Here we go. Here we go. And then we just hit sell. And we just hit sell. What a surprise. We will miss you over the summer. Bro, I'll be live on Instagram. Ovidijos. I'll be live on Instagram 2, 3, 4 times a week. Just move over to Instagram. The lives never stop, bro. I'm not in the studio. I'm not in the country. My God, you called this splendidly. Thank you, Ivan. Appreciate you. Good look. Thank you. The 15-minute look good? Okay. This is the 1 minute. I don't like all this sideways action, folks. I don't like all this sideways action at all. At all. What's up? Aren't you going to work out with me? Walk gently, walk gently, walk gently. Aren't you going to work out with me in the backyard? Flipping the tire? You showered.
I mean, yeah, but I felt like dirty.
Okay, that's fine. I was going to say, yeah.
I can still, though.
No, that's fine. I'm just asking. Because after this is done, we'll go work out in the backyard.
Done?
Yeah. All right, Instagram. Move over to YouTube. Hey, Professor, just finished work. It's staying above the 20. Okay, do you manually enter and exit? Yes. Manually enter and exit. Person. Battling. Okay, I'm closing now. Yeah, it's a lot of sideways action. I don't like it at all. I don't like it at all. If you want to hit sell, go for it. Some of you already hit sell. Good job. But I don't like all the sideways. And we're battling the zone again. If you notice, that zone has become a form of resistance. Look at that hit and that push down. See that? By the way, it's a chapter in the book. Hey, Professor, you doing the workouts I sent you? Yes. I have my multiple time frames on, Professor. I got you. The ship is sinking. Next candle is up again. Let's see. It's battling it. It's battling it. Let's see. Today was a good trading day. You saw what I posted on the secret Instagram?
Yeah, I did.
Yeah, today was very good.
Very nice.
Thank you. I think that's what I want to do. Tomorrow, I want to go live maybe in the morning after I make money. You know what I want to do? I want to start doing that from now on. I want to go live after I've already made money so I don't have to worry about it.
Yeah, that makes sense.
Yeah. I'm up I think 3,200 or something on the day. I don't want to think about it anymore. Then with this, I could just have, it's okay. We're still battling that zone. I'm still in this trade. Oh, Armand. Manu now? Armand, put your real name in there. Manu, what is Manu now? Is that a girl or something? Again, did I do a good job on my zone? Did I do a good job on my zone? Look at that rejection. What's the name of the monitor? JJ, don't worry about that. That's Google Smartboard. Focus on the trade, puppy. I took a rash, a little fast entry. I shouldn't have. I should have waited, but
Yeah.
yeah.
It's going sideways?
It's going sideways. I got in, I think, here. Pushed up. Stop loss was above the zone. Now it's battling below the zone. With all due respect, do you only know how to... I'm not long, I'm short. This is the 1 minute time frame. I don't know, this was my OG YouTube. Got you. What up? What's up, Tomas? Zoom is nice. I miss you doing it. Yeah, there was too many issues with Zoom, Peter. I was sick and tired of all the problems. You know what it is. Once the amount of headaches overtakes problems, I'm done. Then things have to get changed around. Like Puerto Rico mentorship, Peter. I know you were supposed to be there, but you have a big family. I respect it. I know you're supposed to be there. Was the best one ever, Peter. You know why? Less people. Everyone lived in the mansion. Everyone respected the rules. There was no drama. Everyone got along. Everyone ate together. Everyone hung out together. It was beautiful for that reason, Peter. That's why Mexico is only 5 people. 5. And me, I'm number 6. NQ, no. This is MES. Why you shot? Man, this guy can't speak English. Okay, we're not going to block.
Short.
But you got to write English, man. And that's not proper you. All right, don't get too excited. We have to wait for our target. It's playing its game. I told you, I'm more in favor of this short. But, we're back in the green. I know it would have been epic. Yeah, everyone loves you, Peter. Everyone loves you, so we would have had a great time. Here we go. We are 3 points away from target, and then we just hit sell. And there it goes again. Hey, Professor. Jumped into the same trade, got out for a small part for a couple of weeks, more till mentorship. Kontos, my brother from New Jersey, my Greek brother. I love Greece, by the way. I was in Greece. That's a Greek name, Kontos. I was in Greece a couple of years ago. I loved it. Everything was burning down, Kontos. I'll tell you the story as I wait for this trade. It was the biggest heat wave Greece has faced. There was forest fires, and I'm at some cafe, and they're like, "Sir, would you like to sit inside?" I said, "No, I'll sit outside." Like, "Sir, we're going through a record heat wave. Nobody's here." I said, "I'm good." I said, "I'm a man. I can handle the heat. I can sit outside." So I'm eating my breakfast in the cafe outside, and everyone's looking at me like I'm retarded or something. And then I go to the chocolate store and get a chocolate. And it was funny. It was like a boiling hot. Everyone's like, "Yo." At night, I went to the same place, Kontos, and they're like, "Yo, why aren't you at the clubs or the beach?" I said, "I don't do that. I don't go do clubs. I don't do beaches. I want to be left alone. Tell me where the old people are, the senior citizens. I want to hang out with them. I'll play chess with them. My generation and younger, degenerates. I don't like hanging out with them. They're just degenerates." I remember you said that, yeah. How many points do you usually wait before you hit sell? Well, right now it's, it's in our range. We have our zone. I'm already up 3 bands. I don't mind. I was in Greece during that time. I wish I knew you. We could have met up, puppy. Because one of my mentorship students, Cacao lives in Spain. When I jumped to Spain, he met me. We had lunch, we had dinner, we hung out. So that's the thing when you're a mentorship student. When I'm worldwide, you can meet me there. Like, it's not a problem. You don't have to pay. I'll buy you lunch and dinner. It's not a problem. Quit talking about random stuff and block him, please. Wyatt, I appreciate you, bro, but this is my stream. If you don't like it, then please block him.
Yeah.
No disrespect, Wyatt, but just go somewhere else. You're not for me. Bye, you're blocked. I came on the stream because I want to be here. This is fun for me. I like interacting. And plus, nothing's happening. I'm just waiting for the take profit. So go somewhere else, bro. Don't tell me how to teach my classes. When in Greece were you? My house is in... When I was? I have to think about that. Maybe 2 years ago? Not all degenerates. I never said not everyone, Aaron. I know. But you have a lot of liquor in your house, Aaron, in your liquor cabinet. Don't tell me it's for the relatives. I was at your house, Aaron. There's too much alcohol there. All right, here we go. Here's that push down. Let's see if we get it. We got a knock, knock. Is this the boom candle down 4 points and we hit sell? Sometimes being a loner is nice, and if you're smart, the older heads will teach you. Yep, I love being a loner. Here we go. Yep, the boom candle. We got it. There it is. There it is. We got 3 more points down and we hit sell on this trade. We got 3 more points down and we hit sell on this trade. There it is on the short. Again, we're going to debrief once I end this conversation. Not yet. I'm not doing a live tonight. It's a Monday. Please don't make me do that. I'll debrief after the live is done. Well, I'll tell you what I did. Here it is. Let's go. We got another push down. Every time frame is in my favor. Every time frame is in my favor. I'm just going to set the limit. Because if this is going to break hard, I want to get out this trade. Come on, come on. And we're buying because we are short. Cool. My limit order is set, ladies and gentlemen. It's at 5,845.75. That's take profit. Here we go. Here we go. We're 2 points away. It's shuffling. It's shuffling. Be a man. Hold on to it. Don't hit sell. And we're out the trade. Look at that bounce, baby. Love the knock, knock, boom. I love the knock, knock, boom too. And we are done. Look at that bounce. Look, let's zoom in. Let's zoom in. Because I know levels don't work. I know nothing works. I know. And look at that bounce off of my support level. Just hit sell, everybody. Hit the limit. I had a limit buy there. And now it's battling that. Let it break. I'm done. Very nice trade, Professor. Appreciate it. Who made money? I'm not going to say the thing these stupid ass Discord people say. Who ate? You ate? You ate? I don't like saying that. Did you guys make a little bit? If you made a little bit of money, send it to your mother right now. Zell it. What do the kids use? Cash App? Cash App it. Send it to your mother right now. Boom. Dang, I would have hit sell if I was alone. I would have hit sell. Boom. Don't hit sell. Don't be a degenerate. Look, it's battling our level right now. All right, we're going to do a debrief right now. I'm not coming live. I'm not going to be live tonight. Flood the chat if you made some money. Give me an emoji if you made some money. Thank you. No, thank you, guys. I love coming here, man. I'm like, I want to come here the whole way. Was this a short? I was short. Simon made some money. How much profit? I'll show you in a second, Cole. Yeah, he could have talked about anything. I like people to have fun streams, not boring. 100%. You, Ian? No, I don't like that. Don't get blocked. No, I'm playing. I'm playing. Do you do levels yourself? Yeah, bro. Miss Rojas, thank you. I did. Let's go, Miss Rojas. Send your abuelita some money, Rojas. Send your mother. How do you say mother in Spanish?
Mama.
Mama some money. Watching you in the trade makes me realize you don't have to do anything but let the plan. That's all I do, papi. Didn't know you do this live. Will you do this? Yeah, bro. Person, I'll be live every day this week. Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday live. Either in the morning, but I want to make money first. And then I'll do the stream. So let me show you. We're going to do a debrief. By the way, did I do a good job with my levels? Did I do a good job setting a limit buy order to get me out the trade? Flood the chat if I did a good job. If levels work, flood the chat if levels work. Can I hit the buttons?
Yes.
Candles, levels, multiple time frames.
David, don't say how much you made. Please don't post that here. Evil eye, and then other people will feel a type of way, upset, and they're like, I want to jump in. Please don't post your P&Ls or how much you make. That's nobody's business, David. That's nobody's business, bro. Just say you made a little bit. There's no need to post that here. So show off to other people to get them to sign up for their stupid Discords. Don't do that here. I don't like that. Look at that. Great level. Tomas, you know the vibes. Excellent. Good. This is all I do. This is all I do. I don't do anything else. All right. How much did we make? Let's see. I got to cover this because I know my account number is going to pop up. Bloody hell. Okay, let's hide the account number. Cool. All right, how much did I make today? Here, I'll zoom in because I know everything is fake. There you go. Look at it. We're up $3,852.72 for the day. Did I make my loss back from Monday, ladies and gentlemen? By the way, I'm on Webull. Real trading, futures against CUY. So, I just make a little bit of money. I just made a little bit today. Covered my loss for Friday. I think I had a $2,000 loss. That's gone. That's what I tell you. Green for the week is all I care about. I'm still trying to figure out how you make... Bro, you guys know what to do, man. Stop asking to figure it out. Read this book. Then read this book. And then get this book. By the way, I got to journal in a few. I'm going to sit down and journal in a few. You always have to journal your trades, so I'm going to do that in a few. And if you still don't understand it, I'll see you in class. Class starts in 3 weeks. I'm jealous of those levels. Can't wait for the mentorship. David, when are you signing up for? Because if you sign up for May, then you come back to September and November for free. For free. Do you trade every day? Mostly. There's not always a setup, Moises, and if I get very overconfident, I take off for a week. I take off for 1 week if I feel like I'm way overconfident and I feel like I've mastered the markets. That means I become arrogant and I have to back up. The knock knock boom was in effect. All right, I'm down. Madam, can I get some water?
Yeah.
2 things. Actually, don't get me water.
No.
No. Get my workout clothes ready, please. Workout clothes after this.
Yeah, no.
I'll work out, and then from there, let's go get dinner, and then just do 2 things. Put a vitamins in the fridge, a cold water bottle in the fridge with Life Force in it, and then that's it. Just get the clothes ready. I want to work out. And can I get the Yeezy socks?
Yeah.
Thank you. I got it short last night, and that China deal messed me up. Damn, Armand, you shorted last night? Armand. All right. September. All right, David, see you in December. KKB, baby. What does KKB mean? Going to Mexico. Let's go, Moises. Let's go. I'll see you in July in Mexico. You'll love the mansion. We got 3. Thank you, brother. Can we have a live stream from the UK?
Don't forget your live here.
Yeah, thank you. We finally got some clean trends today. It was a good day, Professor. Thank you, bro. Appreciate it. Like the lifestyle. We'll get there someday soon. All right, let's talk about it. Let's go. Come on. All right, everyone. Eyes on the board. Eyes on the board. Let's talk about the trade. By the way, this is trade number 4 for me. I took 3 trades before this live. 2 green, 1 red, and the 4th one is green, as you saw. So the ticker is MES1 exclamation. So what did I do? I had zones. I had levels. For those that have the book, I'll give you the pages. I'll help you out. By the way, physical book, digital book, I don't know. Zones. Zones is page 60. For those following along in the book. Levels is page 58. So what did I do here? On my phone, my Z Fold 6, I had multiple time frames set up. On the screen, I had a 1 minute. I got in a little early right here. My entry. I had my zone. As long as it was in here, we're fine. My stop loss was above the zone. And then once we closed below, because we didn't close below until here. Once we closed below the zone, I knew we are good. Again here, no worry. We are closed below. And then we got the push down, wicked, pushed up, but we already hit sell. We already hit sell on that. And that was it. Nothing more, nothing less. I just study
Candles, levels, multiple time frames.
when the world tells me this, that, the third, all I say is
Candles, levels, multiple time frames.
when the world says, why aren't you swing trading 30,000 stocks? I say the amount of money I make per day scalping futures, I don't need to. Why don't you do dividends? The amount of money I make on a monthly basis just off of scalp trading, I don't need to. The amount of money I make in general, I could just do this and live my life. Why do you think I don't sell you signals? You ever wonder why I don't sell signals? You ever wonder why I don't have subscription services? Do you not put two and two together? I like doing this.
Candles, levels, multiple time frames.
That's all I do. All right, guys, I'll stick around for a little bit. I'm not taking another trade. I'm done. Ask me a question in the chat. You got my full attention. Appreciate 200 plus people being with me. I know I just said it on my Instagram stories because I just had a great time with you guys on Friday. Like, this is my happy spot. This is my happy spot, and I want to hang out with you guys. I wish that Stealth guy was here. He was so funny. So, ask me some questions. I'll answer them, and then I'm going to go work out and go for dinner. My God, this is the reason I'll be seeing you in 2 weeks. Let's go, Robin! I'll see you in 2 weeks. I can't wait to meet you, my Dominican brother. Oh, Puerto Rican? No, I think you're Dominican. On which time frame did you draw the zone? Read the book, Khalil. Read the book. I ain't telling you on the live. Read the book or come to class. Great job. Thank you, Camilla. Hey, Camilla, you coming back to class in 3 weeks? Am I going to see you? What did you think about the SPX 6000? Nico, no interest. Ask me about what I did. Don't go off topic. Ask me about what I did. Thanks for sharing your trade process. You're welcome, Camilla. Of course. You are missed. I always love seeing you in class. How many mentorships you been to now, Camilla? 6? Guys, the story with Camilla is hilarious as I'm answering questions. XB points at his finest. Me and her boyfriend got into an argument in the DMs, and then he figured out I was right and he was wrong. And yes, I'll be there. Good to see you then, Camilla. And then he goes, you know what? I'm just going to send my girlfriend to you. And she signed up. I think he paid for you, right? Can you teach here in PH, Philippines? No. I'm new here from Africa. I really need this lesson. I'm new to trading. Read the books. Professor, when do I support? When I draw is different from yours. I know I might be doing something wrong. Carlos, that means you have to come to class. I don't know what to tell you, puppy. If it's not aligned to me, that means you need to show up to class. Al Massey needs to learn from you. Al Massey? Who's Al Massey? Can you teach here? I'm not coming to the Philippines. Only 3. He paid for 3 and you paid the rest, yeah. Can you talk a bit more about the weakness you saw and how you knew it was? I looked at multiple time frames. What time frame are you working on with? How often, Professor, will you be doing the live? I'll do it every day. Ex-boyfriend. Sorry. Ex-boyfriend. So, Walaikum Assalam, Muhammad from Sydney. I got a lot of students from Sydney. How were you so confident? But in the beginning, the other time frame weren't the best because I looked at multiple time frames. I looked at the clear picture. How can I take your course? Daytradeprofessor.com. Are you still with your Trade Zero or is there another broker? You can use Webull or TradeStation. Inshallah, we'll come to your class one day, Professor. God bless you. Keep it up, Abhi. I'll see you in class. First time joining. Welcome, Samuel. Did you think Bitcoin will drop this May? Bitcoin is up. Crypto's up. FET is up. Who's up on money on TSLL that I've told you? Secret Instagram. Who's up on all the tickers I told you in the secret Instagram? Thank you very much. Can you show the knock boom spots? Read the book. It's in there. Professor, I bought all 3 books and a Quran today. Very excited. Let's go, Mustang. Where are you from? Are you Muslim? I don't think you are. Eros? That sounds Greek as well. Thank you for buying all 3 books and the Quran. By the way, I gotta read the books. Do you also have live session classes? As I'm from the UK, thank you. God bless you. No, I teach you to be independent, but yes, I have live classes in New York and the next one in Mexico. He paid 1/3 of it. The rest I did. That's a good boyfriend, ex-boyfriend right there. What's up, G? What's up, Husky? Guys, keep going with the questions. X, jump over there. Mr. Twitter, Elon's people, jump over to YouTube. I'm answering questions. TSLL, diamond handing. How can I get the books to read? Is it on? Yeah. Can someone drop the link? Can someone drop the link? It's in the bio, bro. It's right here. It's right there. Vibing with that TSL, thank you. You're welcome. Oh yes, TSL, thank you. You're welcome. You're welcome. Mom said thank you for TSLL. Up double. Guys, I'll tell you the funniest story with Manu. Armand, I had a video call with his mom. His mom's like, I'm in TSLL. I have a lot. I said, you don't have enough. Buy more. She goes, you sure? I said, buy more. She doubled up on that. Good man. That's a blessing. Armand, send some money to your mother. TSLL, did you say JKJK? No one buy TLSS? TLSS? No, I said TSLL. Guys, keep going with the trade. Once my assistant comes with my workout clothes, I'm out. I'm going to go work out, flip the tire, do a whole bunch of workout stuff. I'll be leaving for Mexico in a few weeks. I got to get ready. Thoughts on prop firms? No thoughts. What other indicators will you point out in stage 1? Read the book. My English is not that good. Can I still take the course? Of course, Nico. Nico, what are you, Russian? Nikov. Ukrainian, Russian? Давай быстрее. Давай, Nico. Look at that. Should we take another trade? It bounced off our support level. Hey, you guys want to get back in? Let's do 100 contracts right now. You remember my PLTR story when I took your mentorship class? PLTR was 8. Yeah, I remember. Please tell me I want those books. Do you sell no soft copies? I don't do that cheap stuff. Everything is hardcover. Gold. We don't do that here. Cheap. Guys, should we get in? Bulgarian, it's the same almost. Okay. My Bulgarian brother. Welcome, Nico. Are there zones and levels and how to be... Yes, it's in this book, guys. This book shows you everything I did today. This teaches you how to be strategic in selling. And this book teaches you how to track your trades and how to follow the plan. Are you going to Mexico? Yeah, I'll be there for 3 months. My mentorship's there next. Professor, in case I buy all the books and study, if I get stuck on the book with trades, can I get extra help? Yes, you have to become a mentorship student. And then you have access to a secret Instagram. No, yes, where are you coming from? Peace, but I took a trade already, profit to the upside. Thank you, no professor, walk away. Dang, the levels, man. TLSs was my garbage stock that I kept to remind not to, okay. Digital, physical. Please, I need the link for the books. Can someone drop the link to the books? No, DJ. All right, everyone says no. All right, I won't do it. I won't get in. I won't. Look at that. Imagine.
Just hit sell.
Imagine I didn't hit sell on the short. What would that mean if I didn't do that? Professor, how can I figure out the right coin at the right time? Get in my class. Professor, why not regular candles? Read the book, Gabriel. Read the book. What? Hey, did the zone work again? I love when piece of shit humans tell me my strategy doesn't work. I just laugh. Look at that rejection again. Look at that. Damn, I wanted to take that short, boys. Come on, boys. Steph is longing, I bet. No, all right. Get in, DGen. I need that big book. Look at that. Imagine.
Just hit sell.
I didn't hit sell. Look at that, but it's back again. And people tell me my strategy doesn't work. Pathetic humans. Oh, pathetic humans. This is why I don't have subscriptions, man. This is why I teach you to become independent. This is why. Imagine learning this and not needing a soul. Come on. Plenty of trades, plenty of future trades. That would be nicer than those. Yeah. I know. Finale questions, guys. Ask me some finale questions. Finale questions. I won't be live tonight. I already broke down the trade. Let me pause the music so I can read a verse. Green Day today. Praise God. How many seats left for May mentorship? I think 4, David. I think 4 seats left for class in 3 weeks. Yeah, David, take the one in May and come back in September. It's free in September. And then you get 50% off of Mexico. If you decide to come to Mexico, you watch the Puerto Rico videos. You decide to come there, 50% off, papi. And then you can come to September for free, November for free. Think about that. And then live trading Christmas, you get like, I think, 60% off? Something like that. What Pacific time do you start your live trades? Pacific? I don't know, bro. I'm in the East Coast. Professor, are the copies of your books in paperback? Physical. It's Fidelity. Fidelity sucks. David, come to the mentorship. Simon's coming in May. Who did that fly haircut? My barber. Simon, you're coming in May, right? I'm going to see you in May. Or September. All right, quote out of the Quran. Let's go. Random page. Ooh, I like this. All right. Chapter 25. The decisive authority. El Furqan. Verse 15. Say, O prophet, is this better or the garden of eternity, which the righteous have been promised as a reward and an ultimate destination? There they will have whatever they wish for forever. This is a promise to be sought after, binding on your Lord. I like that quote. That made my heart feel good. Breaking out the zone. Just do the best you can and help everyone as much as possible. People say, what's your purpose on this earth? Every one of your purpose is to alleviate, take away some suffering from your fellow man. That's why I want to go live every day this week. I'll be live my Tuesday, Friday, 8 p.m. And I'll be live tomorrow as well. I'll decide. I just want to make money first and then jump on the live. That's it. I just want to do it myself before I come on. So there you go. May peace be upon you all. I will see you guys tomorrow. We'll live trade tomorrow. Power hour. Or maybe earlier. I don't know. Just check my Instagram stories, bro. Just check my Instagram stories. Set the notifications on the YouTube and you'll get a pop-up and an email. Go into YouTube, Day Trade Professor Live, and click remind me. If I change the time, I'll jump on. Maybe I'll jump on in the morning. Learn to just hit sell. Stop listening to these weirdos on social media telling you to hold on for dear life. Just woo. Breaking out the zone. Hey, the next level. Let's see if the next level worked. Samuel, don't get blocked, bro. If you don't know how to use YouTube, then you don't deserve to be here. It's in the bio, daytradeprofessor.com, bro. Congrats on sticking to your plan. Have a green day. It's just a good consequence. Very good. Thank you, everybody. I'll see you all later. But that level is going to play out as well, per usual. I will see you tomorrow. Don't be late. And listen, if you made money because of me,